Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve that 9 power 9999 with 3 power 3 power 3 power 3, and which is bigger among these two. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 9 we can write it as 3 square and whole power is 9999. And 3 power 3 and 3 power 3 is 27. Now we can write it as 3 power 2 times 9999 with 3 power 3 times 27. Now both base are same, so that means their power are also equal. So 2 times 999 is equals to 3 times 27. So we can write it as 2 times 9 times 1 with 3 times 3 power 27. So this is power. Now I'm going to divide with 3 power 2 to both sides. So here we can eliminate this. So 2, 2, 2, 2, and we'll check with 3 power 27 minus 2. That is 3 power 25. So if we compare both sides, so we know that 3 power 25 is greater as compared to 2222. So if we compare both the numbers, so 3 power 333 will be greater. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.